Okay. Put your hands on the ground. Hands on the ground. Put your hands on the ground. Tuck your head. Tuck it. Tuck. Kick your butt home.
Can you do it by yourself?
You do it. Want to try again? Okay. Squat down. Squat down. Put your hands on the ground. Tuck your head. Tuck your head. Tuck. Tuck. Kick your butt over.
Good job, honey.
Is that fun? Did that
She's
make you
getting
dizzy?
dizzy.
That's what I was wondering.
We better take a break.
Mama.
Did you give Rocket a hug?
Your hair will come out when you're doing your somersault. Here, we'll put it back in. There. Look at Mom. Look at Mom. Where is Mom?
Sophie, can you say hi to me? Bags?
You got all kinds of stuff in there.
Salt. Salt.
You got salt?
Yeah.
Where's the pepper?
No go.
You don't have pepper?
Yeah. Salt. Salt.
That's true. Most of the time canned foods have a lot of sodium.